多次，多次，
repeatedly, many a time,
多次，多次的近义詞是屢次，屢次，多次的近義詞是屢屢，屢屢，多次的近義詞是數次，數次，多次的近義詞是再三，再三，多次的反義詞是一次，一次，多次的反義詞是一趟，一趟，多次的意思是指同一個動作或事件重複發生很多。
It means that the same action or event is repeated many times.
他因經常遲到而多次被警告。他因經常遲到而多次被警告。他因經常遲到而多次被警告。
He was warned multiple times for being frequently late.
他因不遵守交通規則多次被罰款。他因不遵守交通規則多次被罰款。他因不遵守交通規則多次被罰款。
He has been fined multiple times for violating traffic rules.
我多次諮詢專家，但都沒有得到滿意的答覆。我多次諮詢專家，但都沒有得到滿意的答覆。我多次諮詢專家，但都沒有得到滿意的答覆。
I consulted experts multiple times, but did not receive a satisfactory answer.
多年，多年，
Many years.
多年，多年的意思是表示很多年或很長一段時間。
It means many years or a very long time.
他在這裡生活了多年，對這裡的風土人情很了解。他在這裡生活了多年，對這裡的風土人情很了解。他在這裡生活了多年，對這裡的風土人情很了解。
He has lived here for many years and knows the local customs and culture very well.
多年來，他一直堅持不懈地研究傳統中藥處方。多年來，他一直堅持不懈地研究傳統中藥處方。多年來，他一直堅持不懈地研究傳統中藥處方。
For many years, he has been persistently studying traditional Chinese medicine prescriptions.
經過多年的努力，他終於成功了。經過多年的努力，他終於成功了。經過多年的努力，他終於成功了。
After years of hard work, he finally succeeded.
多樣，多樣，
Diversity.
多樣，多樣的近義詞是多元，多元。多樣的近義詞是多種，多種。多樣的近義詞是豐富，豐富。多樣的反義詞是單一，單一。多樣的反義詞是單調，單調。多樣的意思是形容多種多樣的樣式、種類或形式， 指事物豐富、複雜、變化多。
It means to describe a variety of styles, kinds or forms, indicating that things are rich, complex and varied.
這家超市的蔬菜水果種類多樣，一應俱全。這家超市的蔬菜水果種類多樣，一應俱全。這家超市的蔬菜水果種類多樣，一應俱全。
This supermarket has a wide variety of fruits and vegetables, and everything you could want.
這家店的商品琳琅滿目，提供多樣化的選擇。這家店的商品琳琅滿目，提供多樣化的選擇。這家店的商品琳琅滿目，提供多樣化的選擇。
This store offers a wide variety of products and a diverse selection.
這裡的飲食文化豐富多樣，能夠滿足不同遊客的需求。這裡的飲食文化豐富多樣，能夠滿足不同遊客的需求。這裡的飲食文化豐富多樣，能夠滿足不同遊客的需求。
The food culture here is rich and diverse, which can satisfy the needs of different tourists.
多種，多種。
Multiple. Various.
多種。多種的近義詞是多樣，多樣。多種的反義詞是單一，單一。多種的意思是表示種類、類別繁多，形容事物數量大，花色或樣式很多。
It means to have many kinds or categories. It describes things that are numerous, varied, or have many styles.
我們公司提供多種款式和類型的產品。我們公司提供多種款式和類型的產品。我們公司提供多種款式和類型的產品。
Our company offers a variety of styles and types of products.
升學有多種不同的途徑，你可以參考一下。升學有多種不同的途徑，你可以參考一下。升學有多種不同的途徑，你可以參考一下。
There are many different pathways to higher education. You can refer to them.
街邊攤售賣的小吃多種多樣，吃了又想再吃。街邊攤售賣的小吃多種多樣，吃了又想再吃。街邊攤售賣的小吃多種多樣，吃了又想再吃。
The street food stalls offer a wide variety of snacks, and once you start eating them, you'll want to eat them again and again.
謝謝觀看。